Good morning, Ms. Secretary. I'm Michael Manay and I'm your battery for today. Please allow me to assist you with your luggage. Ms. Secretary, is there anything fragile inside your luggage? Okay, shall we go to the front desk? Okay. The bin card, sir.
The pin card and the room was room 302.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and enjoy your stay.
Ms. Secretary, this is your bin card. Shall we go? Ms. Secretary, please allow me to explain our facilities. This is the swimming pool, which is open from 7 to 10 p.m. And this is the karaoke disco bar. If you like to unwind, and this is the restaurant. They offering the international cuisine. And this is the lobby. Okay, Mr. Secretary, shall we go to the elevator? Mr. Secretary, can you please come in?
Morning.
Tapos,
What floor are we?
third floor, please. Okay. Tapos,
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Mr. Secretary, how is your stay? Ano? Opo, uuwi na.
Papunta pa lang ka na. Ito.
Opo.
Basta yun lagi.
Opo. Mr. Secretary, this is your room 302. Secretary, please come in. Miss Secretary, your room has a 60 inches television, and this is the balcony. If you want to fresh air, just open the window. And this is your amenities, Miss Secretary, like coffee and water. This is the refrigerator. The refrigerator inside has drinks. And please keep in your mind that everything will taken it will be charged. It will be charged your room. Secretary, would you like me to unpack your things?
That's okay.
Thank you. Mr. Secretary, is there anything that I can help you?
That's all for now.
Well, thank you. If there's anything you need, just dial zero. Enjoy stay, and we will see you later.
Okay.
Butler service. Butler service. Good morning, Miss Secretary. Are you ready for checkout? Thank you. Would you like me to pack your things?
No, that's okay. This is fine.
Okay, thank you, Miss Secretary. Shall we go? Okay. By the way, Miss Secretary, how is your stay?
It's good. It's nice in your hotel.
Thank you for feedback, Miss Secretary. Ano ito na? Okay. Sir, this is the bin card of the Secretary.
Thank you, ma'am.
The Secretary, your checkout is really done. And thank you for staying in Mouse Hotel. And I hope we will see you again. Thank you.